There you go. Finally got around to finishing the mudguard, so I'll give you a quick finish thing what happened. So this is the end product. It's a little bracket, as you can see, screwed in underneath there. I moved the horn completely out the way. I had to trim the back off just a touch so it didn't interfere with the rest of the bike, the frame. I've moved the horn down to here, but that's going to get shifted again. That's going to move up somewhere. It's just a temporary position. But you can see what's going on here. You see the bracket. The bracket comes with the mudguard. No, you buy it separately, but it's about $1 or something. It's really cheap. And I just made a bracket onto the bracket, and then just screwed it on where it normally went. That's it. But now quite a bit of clearance here now. Like I said, the problem was the riser, the original mudguard, and even with the riser on it, it just didn't clear. It was constantly smashing against the top of the mudguard. So I'm going to try this setup now, see if it works. If anyone's interested, I can put the links in below, so you can purchase this mudguard. But the whole thing must have cost probably $3 or $4 for the whole lot, so it's not expensive. Even if you get it wrong, you don't really care because it's not a lot of money. Okay, great.